Today I'm doing a family seafood fest. That's one way I can guarantee that I can get my kids and grandkids to come over. Just saying, a seafood fest we're having today. Right there is some shrimp. I'm gonna be making pepper shrimp. Also, you see the cheese right here. We're gonna be doing mac and cheese. One of my son, Fabian, he's preparing his pepper shrimp. Here Fabian making his sauce for his pepper shrimp. Over here is my sweet potato. I'll be making sweet potato salad. Then over here is the pepper shrimp, all seasoned up and ready to cook. This is what my son, he's the chef for this one. And here is the macaroni pie getting ready to go in the oven. Okay, right here guys, I'm doing a seafood boil. Look there, I'm doing crab and shrimp. Right now it's cooking. I just finished baking my macaroni pie. There it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy macaroni pie. And again, it's your girl Liz Magic. Today I'm having a seafood fest at my house. I invite my kids and my grandkids to come over. We all gonna feast on seafood today. So I'm just doing the cooking as I go throughout the day. So there we go. My seafood boil with my shrimp and my crab is finished. You know, it's just a semi-seafood boil because I didn't add corn and potatoes and those stuff, you know. It's a semi-seafood boil. And over here, moving on, I'm doing some mussels. That's the next one that I'm doing. And again, this is Liz Magic. For those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. For all my usual and faithful people, thank you for being there and supporting me. Don't forget to tell your friends and your family, and also to press the like button. Stay tuned for more. You can see guys, the mussels, they are finished cook. So one down, a few more to go. Look at them steaming in there. Nice and steamy, my mussels. The pepper shrimp is finished. There you go. Look at it guys. Look. It's all finished. Octopus. There, I'm cooking it up in butter and some garlic. And also some olive oil. So here guys is the lobster. I just finished frying some lobster. So there you go. Deep fried lobster. Right over here, some mashed potatoes. There we go. Mashed potatoes. Here, some rice to go with all the yummy stuff. Just deep fry some calamari. So we're doing it, family seafood fest. Ready to eat seafood boil, crab and shrimp, mussels, delicious calamari, spicy pepper shrimp, deep fried lobster, yummy mac and cheese, rice and mashed potato, sweet potato salad. Now we're all gonna eat family seafood fest. Bing, just like magic.